I'll show you where it was inside. Only your type. What was that word again?
What's up, Kevin? Look, man, I need your help. I need the world's greatest safety video.
You know, they say a lot of these safety videos are no nonsense. How about we just call it what it is? Unimaginative, uninventive, and flat out boring.
Exactly. Use some of your Hollywood charm to show our best destination.
Say no more. Excuse me, FIA! Hey! Welcome, Qatar Airways passengers. I want to thank you for choosing the great airline. Exits and walkways must be clear at all times. Get your stuff out the aisle. You baggage must be stored in your overhead compartment or under the seat in front. Please be careful when opening the overhead locker as items may fall out. Got to be careful. Man, Rosie, hey, I'm showing my safety video.
The Q-Boss sent me. He figured you may need a little bit of help. I'm gonna kiss you if you need me, Kat.
Yeah, well, I figured you could just see the back of it. I couldn't see the back of it. Look, you gotta push it. Make sure you push it back. Okay? That's important. I couldn't see the thing. Don't let the signature hold yours. You have to be stored on the seat in front of you.
Relax, bro. I got you covered.
In-flight entertainment monitors must be folded away. What did you margin?
Yeah, the rock was my fave.
Please fasten your seatbelt for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Insert the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. I think that's click. That's how you know it's locked up. To adjust, pull the strap to tighten the belt by making sure our most precious are secure. Lock it down. To unfasten, you lift the flap and pull the end like this. When the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you must remain in your seat with the seatbelt fastened. Don't get up.
Now, if you plan to sleep during the flight, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to cabin crew.
Now, you guys don't play no sleep no. I don't have no sleep bag. I can't do that. Let's get out of here. What are you doing? Now you know that stuff makes your breath smell like a butt track. Listen. We strictly observe a non-smoking policy at all times on this aircraft. And that includes that stuff. What is this called? No. That includes electronic smoking devices. No. Smoking in the toilet would activate the smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detectors are criminal offenses punishable by law.
Up mode already.
It's not gonna happen, Joey. You don't have a signal because I shut the cell towers down. Go ahead, ask me why.
Why would you do this?
I knew you would ask me. Why did you want to know why I did it? I'll tell you why I did it. I did it for safety reasons, Joey. Safety reasons? Well, with the exception of handheld portable electronic devices in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted to take off and landing.
Who you talking to?
Such devices must remain switched off until advised by captain. Please remove all devices from charging ports when takeoff and landing. If you drop your electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate seat control. Instead, contact the member of the cabin crew for assistance. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seats. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located in the show. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. Watch this. How'd you do that? I don't really reveal my secrets. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as ramps. Please remember to remove all items before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind. Who thought this was funny? Help! I didn't want to be that high up. Who thought this was a good idea? I didn't know it was so subtle. You know, I'm up a little bit. And what'd you get your repair?
Long story. I'll explain later.
In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position. And look, your shoes on time. Not again. For those in the premium cabin with rear facing seats, please adopt this brace position.
Oh, my legs are numb.
Just a little numbness.
Kevin, my legs are numb.
Where's the mask going, Adam?
There's already oxygen out here.
Oh, Adam, you stop being a baby. If oxygen is required, mask will appear above you, or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the colored red flag marked pull. Pulling the mask toward you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, and then assist others. You can't help people if you can't breathe. Look at me just sitting here looking natural and comfortable with my Falcon. I'm not scared. No, you are. Your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, so I don't think you see it. When instructed by crew, remove it from the container and pull it over your head. Oh no.
Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure.
Just gotta pay attention. Is that a pacifier?
Only inflate the life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling on the red toggle sharply downward.
What's the toggle?
You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention. A light will automatically illuminate when in water.
I'm getting dizzy.
Life jackets for infants will be distributed by cabin crew.
It's not hard once you really figure it out. To help with final preparation to take off, please ensure your seat is in a fully upright position. Your window shade is open or set to the clear position. Your tray table and footrest are stowed. Your armrest is down and your seatbelt is fastened. What? Yes. The Q-Suite door shall be locked in the open position by the crew and should remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To remind yourself that the seat is